Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video on the Wallrow & Co channel. Today we're doing something slightly different. We're going to try a little science experiment. All you need for this experiment is a bag of Skittles, some hot water and a bowl. What do you think we might be doing with this experiment today? Well, I'll tell you. First of all, we're going to take our Skittles and we're going to place them around the edge of the bowl. Now I'm going to make a pattern. So I'm going to go orange, green, purple. It's important that the Skittles are touching. Orange, green, purple. What would be next? Orange, green, purple. Orange. What's next? Green, purple. Orange, green, purple. Orange, green, purple. What did I start my pattern with? Orange, green, purple. Well, I've run out of postcodes in that bag, so I'm just going to open another one. Orange, green, whoopsie, purple. Orange, green, and purple. Let's try and make sure that these are all touching. So I might see if there's one more orange. So now we've got two oranges in a row. So now we've lined them up in a bowl. You can see the pattern around the edge. We're going to add water. Hot water, not boiling. You might need an adult to help you with this part. And we're going to pour the water into the middle of our circle. Have a think about what you might happen. Not too much, just so we're covering about half of all of the Skittles. Wow, can you see what's happening? The colour from the Skittles is going into the water and it's making a pattern in the middle. Nearly there. Wow, so now we can go on the edge. See, orange, green, purple, orange, green, purple, orange, green, purple, all the way around the bow, and all the colours are mixed in the middle to make an amazing pattern. Now you could try it with other colours or come up with your own pattern at home. That comes to the end of our video for today. Make sure you try this at home and let us know how it goes.